Okay, Ellen, I'm going to make some of these changes, and at the same time I'm going to show you how to use this Divi builder. If you go to your pages and then you go to the one you want to edit and hit edit. I'm not going to zoom in on this. This is going to be just kind of a quick and down and dirty little video that's just for you to go through things. I am going to go a little fast just because I have literally a plane to catch. So here we go. Here's the Divi builder, and what you see under here is the things in the page. So let me do a preview, okay? And if you kind of look at this page, you've got a line here, you know, right there. You've got a section here. You've got a section here, okay? That is this text, text, and text. You know, you could easily move the order of these around just by clicking them and dragging them, okay? But we're not going to mess with that. So you liked these two bottom sections, okay? So you liked this form, but you liked the layout starting here down, but you didn't like this form. So here's what we're going to do, okay? This is a big division area in blue, and then a small division area in green. And you can move these around too, okay? You can move the little sections around, you can move the big sections around, and you can move the divisions around. Now we're not going to do that right now. Image, okay, on the left, that's the, let's see, that is, hold on, image code call to action, that's the buy area. Okay, so this is the image. This is the text area. This is the call to action, CTA they call that. That's the click to buy button. I changed that color to match this a little closer. Hopefully you like that. By the way, we do that on here. The little box is duplicated. It'll make another one. The X's delete it, and the lines edit it. So all I did was I went down here to select color, and I changed the color there. Okay, but we're not going to mess with that. So what you want is the code. You like this code from the top one. So if you click the three lines, again, you can edit it. This is what we call an HTML module. I'll show you how to add modules in a second. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to copy it. Okay, and then we're going to go down. I could just move the whole thing actually, but I'm going to do it this way. We're going to go down here and we're going to paste the one from the top. Okay, save and exit. I could have just taken this code and dragged it all the way down, the whole section down, but I just changed the actual HTML. Okay, so we're not going to get rid of the text toppings. It's the section here we're going to get rid of. And this section here we're going to get rid of. Actually, see, I didn't change the colors, I don't think, on the bottom one, and that's the one we're going to keep. So watch, here we go. We're going to take this bottom one, we're going to delete the call to action, and we're going to take the call to action from the top, because that's the dark blue one, and we're going to move it down to this bottom section here. And then we're going to get rid of that. So now what we have is the image, that's the book, the code, the image of you, the text about you underneath, the call to action under the image, and then the next section is this text that is the information for the book. So if we hit update, once it's finished, we'll close that. Let's preview changes, and then let's go look at it. Okay. Now you have, oh, that red actually blends into the form. I like the look of that. And it kind of leads you in. Look at this. Website and blog coming soon. Sign up for the mailing list. It's almost like get on the mailing list and we'll let you know about the website and blog. That was inadvertent. One of those happy accidents where colors and arrows and things all come together. So we've got this look with the above the fold. You've got the book, the mailing list, you. People like to connect with people. A little bit about you, and then as they scroll down, we could put a little blurb in here. I don't think that's a problem for the moment. And then here's information on the book. So I think that's good for the moment. If you want to change the title or anything, I do like that in there. But if you wanted to take this section out, for example, you would edit it here. That's the middle text. Hit the line, and then you have a little editing window here. You could just highlight this, delete it, hit save and exit, and that's fine if you wanted to play around with it a little bit. Okay, that's it. I think we're finished. I did want to show you one thing. If you go to settings in general, you wanted me to change teacher. That was right here. Okay, that's called the tagline, and it shows up where you saw it. And if you want to change that again, you can do that here. That's it. Your changes are good. I think you're in good shape. I'm going to go hit the airplane. I'm going to load this up onto YouTube for you, and I'll email you the link, and we're good to go. Have a wonderful week. If there's anything else you need, shoot me an email. I can, do things from time to time while I'm away. I'll be sitting in the hotel. I get up early in the morning and that kind of stuff. So, sounds good.